Yo, yo, yo. What up, YouTube? I'm here with Quison. We made it to the motorcycle safety course here, Harley Davidson, Sacramento. It's early in the morning. It's like 0700, 7 o'clock. Yeah, but we about to let you guys see what they got to offer you guys for the motorcycle safety course. We about to get in there, enroll, clock in, you know, let them know that we made it. All that good stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Got the train, the course, Quison. Got the one this room out here. See what's crack-a-lacking. Got some McDonald's to start the day. Yeah, let's get it started. I think that's the teacher's bike right there. Yeah. Go up in here. So we on the second break. I didn't catch the first break, but yeah, we out here. Little motorcycle handbook. We're gonna be going through Unit 5, mental motorcycling after this, and then we should be able to get on the bikes. How you feeling, Quickly?
Feeling quickly.
See, buddy.
Feeling weird.
Yeah. But I'll let y'all update you guys when we have another break. Alright. It's lunchtime. Me and Quickly in the car. We about to get some lunch. We don't really know what to eat. We're checking around. We in Sacramento area. Actually, I think we're in Sacramento City, right? We in Sac right now? Yeah, we're in Sac. Quickly's over here talking about how much is the food, this and that. We don't want. He wants to do it. You don't want to go.
You're not posting that.
You're not posting. Man's gonna post it up, but yeah, we gotta find something to eat. We in the whip right now. Once we get back to the course, we're gonna start on the range, start the riding. Brother. Yeah, I'll update you guys when we get to eat, and see you guys. Hopefully, I can film a little bit on the range, talk to Coach. He'll be cool. All right, go. What do you think about the class so far?
You sure you want to do Popeyes?
I'm already here, fam. We already here at Popeyes. Smell that? It smells like chicken.
You know they got a Popeyes in Nellis Air Force Base?
I wish they had a Popeyes on our base. Is that the police? Let me put this down. I don't want to go to the drive-thru. I'm cool. Dang, Quickly. Just kidding. Yeah, so we just got here to Popeyes. Quison's gonna treat me to some Popeyes because I bought McDonald's for us earlier this morning, and I'm driving. Yo, we about to be riding soon. Quickly wants R1, which is crazy.
Or a Gixxer.
Gixxer, R1. Man, put down in the comments what bike you think Quison should get for his first bike. Maybe he might get that.
The Grom.
He's a little, is he around? All right, let's get the heck out of here and get some food. I'm pretty hungry, honestly. Even though I still have one more, I still have some food in the back, but I could go for a chicken sandwich right about meow. You know what I'm saying? Popeyes, man. Too much ice. Yo. You never rode a motorcycle one time before in your life?
Nope.
Man, this is crazy. I'm seeing you get your cherry pop. Honestly, Popeyes has fat chicken sandwiches. Stocks are going up right now.
Yeah.
What'd you say GoPro is at?
$1.90.
$1 now. How many you got? How many shares you got?
0.
You gonna change that?
I might.
I mean,
We'll
I might
see.
have to buy some GoPro stock. I'm using a
I'm
GoPro,
not,
you know?
I'm not an investment. What do you call that?
This is not financial advice.
This is not financial advice.
It's not financial advice. Popeyes was smacking. Quickly invest. He's trying to get big money. He's trying to be like Warren he's trying to be like Warren Buffett. He's trying to be like Jeff Bezos. You know me? Trying to be like Elon Musk. Who's an investor you look up to? All right, we're gonna head back to the training facility. I'll let you guys know when we get there. Brother.
We'll get ourselves mounted up.
Whiskey throttle. Little whiskey throttle. Alright, so we're on another break. Unfortunately, can't really be filming too much of course because you gotta pay for this. So we just know it's going quite swell. We're actually on our last break. It's probably about 1300, maybe 1330 in the afternoon. First day is about to be done once we hop on the bikes again. And we just finished shifting first, second, third, stopping. Pushing the gears down. Yeah, we gone. We out. Day one, done. Probably gonna go check out. I'm trying to go to the dealership to check out some bikes just to see what they got. I mean, I already got a bike, but I got a bike, but I just want to see the Harleys. I don't really. I mean, I'm not a Harley fanatic or anything, but I drove one today. It was my first Harley. I think I probably, my pops might have let me ride his Harley when I was younger. Nah, I don't think I ever remember. But yeah, Harley's not bad. Not bad at all. Look at what we got right here. See what Harley has to offer. The gray is hard. The gray is hard. I don't even know what kind of bikes these are, but they're sparkly. This one, if I had a Harley, I'd have like that. Yeah, Cyclops. Yeah. Shout out the homie right here. He's in the motorcycle class too.
Oh, what's good?
He stalled out a couple times, and he dropped the bike. Nah, but who stalled out was this guy right here. Quickly stalled out a couple of times. I caught. You like orange? Harley Davidson of Sacramento sign. Looks kind of old. Looks like it's from the 70s. Loki. Looks like that's like the first sign they ever had. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Sportsterish. I like the brown seat. Yeah. This is a Grom.
I kind of want to get one of these and just put like Cal Fire so I could take it out to the incidents and just fucking rip around.
Yeah. These might be the workers.
That's the bosses.
Oh yeah, see? That's the boss right there. Yeah. We out here, day one, done, in the bag. I'll see you guys next time, day two. Probably gonna be doing some more advanced things, hopefully. But as you know, I'm breezing through this. It's not my first rodeo. Man's been riding horses type shit. But I'll catch y'all later.